Okay, so there's this sketchy DIY skate spot in Springfield with gnarly ramps and steep transitions. And every time Cam and I would come back to try to land this trick, he would have to deal with broken glass and puddles of piss and I mean, he even found diapers. I mean, you name it. The alleyway is just this gnarly cesspool in the middle of two abandoned buildings. Sometimes we're lucky enough to have a homie up in the sesh to help motivate Cam to land this crazy trick, but most of the time it was just Cam and the ledge doing battle. First time he got really close, but after a while he gassed his shin up pretty bad. And a week later he came back with a different filmer, but no dice. Now, every time we went out there, Cam said that the griminess of this spot made him take a full bath whenever he got home. I mean, just filming there made me want to take a shower immediately afterwards, so I can empathize. Cam says he may have plans to come back and land this trick this summer, so be on the lookout for a possible part 2 of this video. Again, thanks for watching. This is Abel Skate Mac.